Deadly strike by Maoists in Chhattisgarh, Dharba Valley in the Bastar area. State Congress leader Mahendra Karma has been killed. Former Union Minister and senior Congress leader VC Shukla has been seriously injured by bullets. Maoists attacked a convoy of Congress leaders on their Parivartan Yatra. The state Congress chief Nand Kumar Patel and his son are reportedly missing now as well as after that attack, and they are feared to have been kidnapped. Another MLA, Uday Muraliyar, has also been killed. Maoists opened fire on this convoy after a landmine blast. Mahendra Karma, of course, had been given Z+ security after being a repeated target of the Maoists. He was the founder of the Salva Judum in 2006, a counter-revolutionary force which critics allege had degenerated into a virtual private militia, extremely controversial. Therefore, also a reason to target Mahendra Karma. Those images on your screen of the injured in that attack. Some reports saying that Mahendra Karma was pumped with several rounds of bullets and there was no way he could have survived that. VC Shukla has received some bullet injuries to his stomach area. Sonia Gandhi has just emerged after a meeting with the Prime Minister and said the priority for the Congress party right now is to find the Pradesh Congress chief Nand Kumar Patel and his son. They are hoping against hope that they have not been taken hostage by the Maoists.
देखिए, परिवर्तन यात्रा जो कांग्रेस की निकल रही थी, जिसमें माननीय नंद कुमार पटेल जी भी थे, वो सुकमा से जब आगे बढ़ रहे थे, अभी जो अपने को जानकारी मिली है वो ये है कि जीरम घाटी के पास जो सबसे आगे गाड़ी जा रही थी उसके दूसरी या तीसरी गाड़ी पे ब्लास्ट हुआ है, एक पुलिया के पास पर उस पर ब्लास्ट हुआ है और गोली चली है और उसमें 2 लोग घायल बताए गए थे, जिसमें जिनकी स्थिति डॉक्टर बता पाएंगे अभी क्या है।
दुख है, कुछ बोलने की स्थिति में नहीं है। ये सारे लोग जो मेरे साथ 2-3 घंटे पहले थे, उनको गोली लगने की खबर आ रही है, कुछ लोगों की मौत की खबर आ रही है, कोई पुष्ट सूचना नहीं आ रही है। और मैं इतना तो कह सकता हूं कि जानबूझकर पुलिस का इंतजाम बिल्कुल नहीं किया गया था। मैं चाहूंगा कि कल पूरा छत्तीसगढ़ बंद रहना चाहिए, हमारे कांग्रेस के लोग पूरा छत्तीसगढ़ बंद कराएं।
Astounded and shocked and pained by what has happened in Bastar. Our colleagues were taking a Parivartan Yatra and it seems that our PCC president and his son, even though it is not confirmed, it seemed that they may have been kidnapped. Mahendra Karma, our MLA, and Uday Muraliyar also, we have been told, have been killed, and a number of them have been wounded. Shukla ji, our senior colleague Shukla ji, has also been hit by bullets. I think we are told in the stomach area, and we still don't know his conditions. We have just held a meeting and we are trying to get more details. Prime Minister spoke to the Chief Minister 2 hours ago. Chief Minister said that he would get back, but I don't think he has got back yet to PM. And of course everyone is supposed to get involved and in various activities, whether it is hospital, whether it is security forces, have been asked to start and to render whatever support and help is possible.
That was Sonia Gandhi speaking to the press after meeting with the Prime Minister. An emergency meeting after this attack took place. My colleague Sudhiranjan Sen now joining me for more. Sudhiranjan Sen, the first person, the news coming in of Mahendra Karma having been killed, I mean, it's widely reported this Mr. Karma was an extremely controversial figure in state politics. He had been the founder of the Salva Judum, the counter-insurgency, the counter-Naxal force really in that state. He'd been targeted several times before and was a recipient of Z+ security. In spite of that, this attack has taken place.
Well, Maya, yes. I mean, he did have a huge posse of policemen always. I mean, including the special SPOs accompanying him wherever he went, because he was a very marked man. In this case, what I have learned from my sources is that after the blast, the firing came from the top. In fact, most of the injuries that people have sustained, like Mr. VC Shukla, like Mr. Muduliyar, they've all been shot through the roof of the car. That's what I've been told by my sources, that the Maoists were sitting on a position that was higher. The shot. Mr. Mahendra Karma's security men, it appears, did return fire, and it was only after their ammunition, they exhausted themselves of the ammunition, that he was dragged out, it seems, and he was killed. The whereabouts of Mr. Nand Kumar and his son still not very clear. The police, Chhattisgarh police and the central agencies, the Home Ministry out here saying that, well, he's missing right now. It could very well be that he has taken refuge somewhere. Mind you, this is a very, very hostile area. It's dense forest, and it's very, very difficult to reach, for forces to reach there. In fact, there is also, while the Prime Minister, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, they were meeting here in New Delhi, there is, at the same point of time, there is a special cabinet, an emergency cabinet meeting in Chhattisgarh also happening, just to work out these logistics as to how to pull out the body of Mahendra Karma, because what I'm being told is that body has not yet been pulled out. Also, what has happened to the policemen who were there? Apparently, several of them still missing. We do not have a figure yet as to the number of policemen who are missing. There seems to be a lot of confusion on that, and also about this entire how do you deal with it, because the number of Maoists that is being speculated, at least by the policemen, seems to be very, very, it seems to be quite a huge number. Maya.